45 are we in a with black clothes, waiting for the rest of them to meet we by the lamppost. See a bale of cloth roll out on a flagpole. Yeah, them in the shot shaking the tail like them is tadpole.
This kind of witness is woman, one of them is a mad boat. 15 away outside bars, will cut back up in a sharp mouth. East side of the defendants anywhere, watch how we march out. The back of the start now.
Wakey soca soldier, happy Saturday, or should I say, happy re-entering society after being flatlined for 12 hours.
What time is it? Did I really sleep through 12 hours?
Yes, ma'am, you went to a morning soca party like a warrior, came home, and then fell into a nap so deep your ancestors had to tap you like, "You coming?"
It was worth it though, okay? It was worth it.
But hey, what matters is you made it, you're alive, and it's time to be a responsible adult again. Yay!
Okay. Time to get up.
How's that head? Spinning, or are we pretending it never happened? That's right, stretch it out. You earned those sore muscles. You thought whining for 3 hours straight wouldn't come with consequences.
Let's get up. Let's get up.
Saturday, where we rise, we clean, we play tennis, and we pretend we weren't wild in 25 hours ago.
On a ball making plays.
We love a woman of range. From soca diva to tennis baddie. It's giving versatility. It's giving focused. It's giving respiratory arrest.
Push through it.
Well, well, well. Look who's back. Queen of Balance. You ran down the tennis court and shopping like your life depended on it. Now look at you, ready to re-enter your soft girl era. Self-care mode activated. Oh, hair wash day. May the strength of your ancestors guide you. This is no ordinary shower. This is a full-blown ritual. Hair clean. Body baptized. Vibes restored. Look at you, fresh out the spa you created with your own hot water bill. After bathing and tennis, she's back at it, doing stretches like she's training for the Olympics. Like, girl, who do you think you are? Serena Williams?
Bruh.
But honestly, go girl, go! Because flexibility is a mindset and a lifestyle. Then comes journaling. Yes, journaling. Because what is life if not pausing to spill your heart onto a page and pretend you're the main character in a coming-of-age film? It's giving emotionally intelligent baddie. It's giving I read books and manifest. Love that for her. Next up, mealtime. And of course, her first dish of the day is Logan's cucumber salad she saw on TikTok at 2 a.m. and saved like it was going to change her life. It kind of did though. It's crunchy, it's refreshing, it's giving wellness, soft life. She eats, she vibes. And then, yep, another rest, another one. This girl can sleep. If napping were a sport, she'd have multiple gold medals and a sponsorship deal. Suddenly, it's time for another shower. Because of course, cleanliness is next to godliness. And she's not just clean, she's squeaky. That Dove bar is putting in overtime. Then it's time to get down to business. In the kitchen. Chef mode activated. Today's menu: butter chicken and noodles. Like, hello, Master Chef. It's giving international cuisine. It's giving flavor explosion. It's giving, yes, I'm soft, but I season my food. Honestly, a day in the life of this girl is a whole journey. Wholesome, chaotic, and a little too extra in all the best ways.